My biggest loss has gone in the 5 figures recently, but the thing is, I got an appetite for big losses, as I said, risk, because over a period of time, I've conditioned my mind to withstand big losses. Because I once started with the hundreds, the 200s, the 300s, the thousands, but as I developed as a trader now, my account size developed as well as my mindset. So right now, I'm challenging myself to deal on the 7-figure bracket. So my losses would definitely be more substantial, but in order to get on that 7-figure bracket, I need to build my emotional intelligence to withstand losses on a 7-figure account. At the moment, I'm very comfortable taking 5-figure losses, but I can move on to 7-figure, like taking 6-figure losses. So in order to do that, I need to develop myself, and I'm still work in progress, and that's my next target in the next 18 months.